Hola, buenos dias, feliz martes, happy Tuesday. Today I want to give you a verb, dar. Verbo del día es dar. Dar means to give, Spanish one verb, so you should know it. Preterite tense, this completed past says di, diste, dio, dimos, dieron. It's an AR verb, but it takes ER and IR endings. I gave, you gave, he gave. Imperfect tense makes it sound like it was going on. I was giving, or used to give. Daba, dabas, daba, dabamos, daban. Yeah, it's a good practice to write this down, start memorizing these tenses, getting ready for Español 3. Present tense, from Miss Gross, you'll learn this. Doy, das, da, damos, dan. I give, you give, he gives, etc. Then, this chapter, specifically what I'm testing you over tomorrow, are the commands. The affirmative commands are the same as the present tense, for two, are the same as the present tense, he and she. 1, 2, 3. The third one down, da. Notice the positive to command, da, as in, dame un peso. Give me a peso. I haven't given you a peso in a while, have I? Da, to give, the command, da. But the negative to command goes back to the yo, drops the o, and adds the opposite ending. We got a problem. It's doy. Must be one of the 5 irregulars. It is. Don't give is no des. No me des una prueba. Don't give me a test. Sorry, I'm going to give you one tomorrow. Okay, dar, to give. There's your verb of the day. Next, if you're the kind of kid who's going to study for this test, which you are, you should go to the text, page 329, and look over the vocabulary. Is the vocabulary on there? Yes, and various multiple choice questions and some matching questions. Okay, you've been doing Quizlets. You can do another Quizlet if you wish. You can also read this list. You can also go to classzone.com, click on your book, go to Unit 6-1, do the flashcards from there, whichever you choose. Anyway, we've got the vocabulary, we've got some grammar. What's the grammar? It's on this page 329, but you can look up here, you can pause the video and study along with me. The affirmative to is the same as the present tense third person. So, filmar, filmó, filmas, filma. Escribir, escribe. You, write. Then there's pensar, piensa, think. And there are irregulars. You remember ven, di, sal, as, ten, ve, pon, se. Oh, it has an accent on it. These commands are only for the positive. You don't say don't come, no ven. You wouldn't say that. That's a special, something different. The negative twos are a little different. Positive two, same as the present tense he and she, or it's ven, di, sal, as, ten, ve, pon, se. But if it's a negative two, why, it does what all commands do. All commands go back to the yo of the present tense, drop the o, and add the opposite endings. And now I've got an email. What's opposite ending mean? It means this. If it's an IR verb like escribir, opposite is going to be as. Or an ER verb, same thing, comer, it's going to be as. But if it's an AR verb, such as tomar, it's going to be es. So, for example, fracasar, to fail, go back to the yo, fracaso, drop the o, fracas, don't fail, no fracases. Notice an es because it's an AR verb, opposite ending. Salir, go back to the yo, salgo, drop the o, salg, don't leave, no salgas. One more, ver, go back to the yo, veo, drop the o, ve, no veas, don't look at your book when you're taking the test. All right, ver. Now, the negative twos do have some irregulars because what happens if they don't end in O when I go back to the yo? Good question. Must have to just memorize them. They're also on your command sheet, but take a look here. Dar becomes doy. You can't drop the O, so just memorize. Don't give, no des. Or don't be, ser becomes soy, no seas. When we're talking about characteristic and describing somebody, like, don't be foolish, no seas tonto. Or, ir, to go. Voy, I have to say no vayas, because you can't drop the O. Don't go. And saber, yo form present tense, I know, say. You can't drop the O. So it's no. Oh my, I said that one wrong. This one is supposed to be sepas. Caught me making a mistake. No sepas. Exclamation point, exclamation. No sepas. And then the verb estar, go back to the O, estoy, no estés. Don't be, as in location, like don't be in the kitchen when I'm making dinner. No estés en la cocina. All right, those are the irregular negative twos. Those are some things you need to know, as well as the let's commands, the vamos a. If you want to say, hey, you and me, let's FaceTime tonight. All right? Well, how do you do it? You do vamos, let's, a, plus an infinitive. Infinitive means not conjugated verb. So, let's pass this test tomorrow. Vamos a pasar. Let's pass. Or, vamos a preparar. Let's prepare for the test. Good idea. Vamos a preparar. And vamos a regresar a la escuela. Let's go back to school. I'm tired of learning online. Well, that's where we are for now. Vamos plus a plus infinitive. You don't say vamos a regresamos. Ir plus a plus infinitive. Ir plus a plus infinitive. What do you mean ir? Vamos. It's the verb ir. Plus a, the letter a, infinitive, non-conjugated verb. That's how you say let's. Now, today's assignment is being graded as a quiz, and you need to have the following requirements. Here they are. First off, it's going to be a scenario. So, maybe you're making a movie, maybe it's a babysitter, maybe it's friends planning an event, maybe it's a restaurant scene, maybe it's whatever in the world you can imagine. Now, here are the requirements. You've got to use 7 to-form commands. Some positive, some negative. You have to use at least 7 vocabulary words from page 329, unit 6.1. One other thing, you need to use 2 vamos plus a plus infinitive. Let's. So I made an example. You can follow along with me. Do not copy my example, but you can use it as an idea of what I'm looking for. Okay, here's an example. And I underlined the vamos-as in red, the commands, the 2-form commands in green, and the vocabulary words in blue. That'd be nice if you did that for me so I can count that you, not the specific colors, but show me that you have each of the things there. So we got niños, vamos a comer. Mom says, kids, let's eat. Hector, one of the children, says, ven Maria, vamos a comer paella. Come on, Maria, let's eat some paella. Maria says, no escuches a mamá. Yo soy una estrella de cine. Negative 2 command. Don't listen to mom. I'm a movie star. Hector says, Maria, tú no eres estrella de cine. Sal del baño y ayúdame a poner la mesa. Maria, you're not a movie star. Leave the bathroom and help me set the table. We've got a positive 2 command, positive 2 command, a negative 2 command. All right, Maria says, no me hables así. Don't talk to me like that. Negative 2 command. Voy a ser actriz famosa y necesito practicar. Sal ahora. Don't talk to me like that. I'm going to be a famous actress. Vocab. Y necesito practicar. Sal ahora. Leave now. Okay. Mamá says, Maria, ven y ayúdanos con la cena. Come and help us with the dinner. Positive 2 commands. Maria says, espera, mamá. Wait, mom. Necesito ponerme el maquillaje. I need to put on my makeup. Positive 2 command. Wait. Papá says, no lo pongas. Negative 2 command. Don't put it on. Tú eres mi niña pequeña. You're my little girl. No uses maquillaje. Negative 2 command. Don't use makeup. No lo necesitas. You don't need it. Right? We've got Maria saying, pero papá, lo necesito para filmar una escena en la película de drama que estoy editando en mi habitación. But Dad, I need it in order to film a scene in the drama film that I'm editing in my room. Papá, okay, hija, pero primero, ve a la cocina y no discutas con mamá. All right, daughter, but first, positive 2 command. Go to the kitchen and don't discutir, to argue, discuss. Opposite ending, discutas con mamá. Don't argue with mom. Okay, this is an example. You are writing your own and not using Google Translate. Right? Blessings on you as you work on this. Email me those today at pjc@elkhartchristian.org and estudien para la prueba mañana.